I would like to thank the Team Kalingap Hong Kong chapter members and officers for the successful Christmas party held last December 14, 2025. Wala man tayo sa Christmas party, but I was delighted to see everyone enjoying the party. I was so amazed seeing each and everyone who contributed their efforts and talents. It's far beyond my expectation. Thank you everyone, and thank you so much sa ating very generous sponsor all the way from California. To Mami Lydia Navida, maraming salamat po. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Sabihin na gusto kong magpasalamat sa sponsor po. May nag-sponsor po sa atin.
Makinig po lang.
Pang-premyo at sa pagkain from California. Tita Lydia Navida. Thank you.
Thank you, Mami Lydia.
My warmest greetings to all the birthday celebrants. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, guys!
Best in costume ay na si Balasang. Ay bulit talaga. Queen Elizabeth. Ay bulit talaga. Best in costume. Lali, picture. Okay.
Oh my God!
Mami Lydia.
California. Tita Lydia Navida. Thank you.
Thank you.